Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays and the Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about curtains. So I personally love a curtain. I think it adds like a lot of sass and coziness to a room. You can see here that these are sliding glass doors along with like windows in a living room area / dining room. And what they've done to keep it cohesive is they've actually framed out the glass doors with panels. So these can slide over, but they just frame and stack. So they are functional if you need them to be, but they're also stackable just to keep it cohesive. And it just adds a lot of elegance and posh to the space. And it's just a different way to keep the windows open since you're spending the extra money to add sliders into a room so you can see out them. But if you need privacy, you can also close them with the curtains. It looks really great and it's very cohesive. So that's just an idea for you. You can get great curtains like this that are tall and long from anywhere, like even Amazon. Check out my Amazon store and my link in my bio for this, and you can totally see that I have a whole section on curtains that you will love. And that is Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.